Unlock the power of 2 game-changing free plugins that will elevate your music production to professional levels. Tired of overpriced plugins? Or maybe you don't have the financial capability to get them? This video is for you. Sit tight, I'll be right back. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is CoinX, and in today's video we are going to be exploring 2 incredible free plugins that will elevate your sound to new heights. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, you're welcome to CoinxDaProducer. Here we'll talk about music production related topics like reviews on paid and free plugins, gears, and any other thing in between. So please support me by subscribing, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell. And thank you for subscribing. With that being said, let's jump right into what I have for you guys. The first plugin on this list is KeroVee by G200kg. G200kg gave out KeroVee for free, a powerful pitch correction plugin that operates as a VST effect. What sets it apart is its ability to create a chorus effect from one single vocals just with a preset or tweaking the knobs. Let me show you what I mean. Come on everybody. Come on everybody. Come on everybody. Come on everybody. Let's dive into the features and controls that makes KeroVee a must-have. First, scale button. As you can see here, from C to B, it specifies the allowed notes existing in this plugin, followed by the tune speed, which is this one right here. Adjusts tuning speed with a robotic effect at maximum. Thirdly, the nuance, which is this one here. Choose to keep or ignore subtle pitch changes like vibrato. The next is the amount knob. It controls the pitch correction amount, followed by the calibre, which is the master tuning adjustment. The next is tune to, which is this section right here, which is an option for scale, MIDI, or MIDI chord tuning. So for a more detailed features, let's check out the functionality of tune to. If both scale and MIDI are enabled, which is this one, MIDI notes take priority, but scale tuning kicks in after the notes are off, followed by the bypass pan level, which is this section here. This adjusts the pan and the level of the bypassed output of source sounds. The next is the tone 1, which is this section here, and tone 2 controls. This manages 2 independent pitch correctors with settings for preservation, shifts, fine-tuning, transpose, pan, and level. Alright, so KeroVee is ideal for vocal tuning, creating harmonics, or achieving that popular Autotune effect. So whether you're working on subtle pitch correction or drastic shifts, this plugin has got you covered. But I wish they included GUI size, where you can increase the size of the plugin. Alright guys, let's jump right into the demonstration to hear this plugin in action.
Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back. Counted all the gold, now we can buy a ship to sail and take back.
I believe you heard it. Interesting, right? So I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it out. Maybe you can figure out something I missed out on and share your thoughts in the comment section. And that is it for KeroVee. That takes us to the next plugin on this list. Introducing the Solaris VST Reverb plugin by Adam Zabo. Solaris is your gateway to celestial realms, empowering you to create mesmerizing soundscapes with ease. Key features include shimmering effects. This plugin adds a celestial aura to your music, cascading reverberations. It creates sparkling, immersive reverbs. And the best part is, it utilizes low CP usage, modern reverb units suitable for various applications, and it is completely free. It came with versatile presets, as you can see here, tailored for different musical styles and atmospheres, with a beautiful user-friendly interface, intuitive controls for easy adjustments. And when it comes to compatibility, this plugin is available as 32 64-bit VST2 and 64-bit VST3 plugins for Windows. My favorite thing to see is the ability to extend the GU size from 50% to 200%. So guys, this plugin is perfect for adding depth to ambient tracks, enhancing vocals with a celestial touch, or creating lush atmospheric parts. Solaris versatility makes it a valuable tool for any genre. So guys, let's quickly check out the demo to hear this plugin in action. I'll be leaving the link in the description. Try it out and as well share your findings and your thoughts about this plugin. And that brings us to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like. As always, stay creative, stay focused, and see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.